Believe it or not, an antique metal piece was discovered during gold exploration in Russia, which is more than 300,000 years old, meaning that it is older than the oldest civilizations that we know now. But the strange thing about it is that it is made with the technology of the current era, as if it is designed with nanotechnology, and it also consists of manufactured chemical elements. That is, it is not found naturally in the universe, but is manufactured in laboratories only. But how is that? This is what we will know in our episode today on the Turath-Y channel, and if you like the content that we provide, support us with a like and a subscription to the channel to encourage us to publish more. The story begins in 1991, when a team of scientists and experts was digging for gold in the Ural Mountains in Russia, and the shock was when they found strange and mysterious objects near the banks of the Kazan rivers. Scientists have found small antique metal pieces that are similar in their manufacture to the nanotechnology industry in our current era. And this strange piece is metal coils wrapped around another metal and some unknown components so far. And this piece was embedded in a rock at a depth of 12 meters underground, and after the scientists' research, they discovered that the age of the rock is about 100,000 years, and this is what started doubts among the scholars, as each of them differed on the origin of this piece. There are those who say that there were civilizations older than the Egyptian and Greek, and they reached the current level of technology, but also the latest. And there are those who say that its source is space and aliens. These discovered artifacts were placed in a list called OOPART, which is short for out-of-place artifacts. These artifacts are between 100,000 and 300,000 years old, and these are really huge numbers. It is enough to know that the Egyptian civilization, with its greatness, is only 7,000 years old. Therefore, the appearance of a piece like this challenges the human thought of history here. All the pieces within that group are considered to confirm that there were ancient civilizations that we do not know anything about, and they had technology that we may not have reached until now. But what makes this piece so important to discover? When the discovery of this piece was announced, it was the focus of attention of all scientific research centers around the world, where they did a lot of tests on these mysterious nano-objects, and the results were very exciting because they found that these pieces were made of pure copper and many other metals such as tungsten. The interesting thing is that in 1947 a strange incident occurred in an American city, where strange debris fell from the sky and it spread at the time that it was the wreckage of a flying saucer. When they examined this debris, they found that it was made of the same metals, and here was the shock. Also, these metals are currently used in spacecraft and missiles. Until now, this mystery will not be solved. In your opinion, what is the source of this piece? Share your opinion with us in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to encourage us to publish more. Goodbye.